How to get $100 Tesco promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in couponfollow.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of CouponFollow. Now at the top right, you'll find the search icon. Click on it. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in tesco.com and search for it. With that, you'll land to the Tesco coupon codes page. Now on this page, you will be able to find tons of coupon codes. As a leading multinational retailer, Tesco aims to serve customers every day with affordable, healthy and sustainable food to help them enjoy a better quality of life and an easier way of living. Tesco has diversified into areas such as retailing of books, clothing, electronics, furniture, toys, petrol, software, financial services, telecoms and internet services. To get discount on those products, you can apply these coupons. So scroll down and check out all the coupons. If you're interested in any of the coupon, click on the option of See Details. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon. Now you can copy this coupon, head towards the website of Tesco, and while you check out, apply this coupon code. By applying the same process, you can grab other deals of Tesco as well. In the case you want to use this coupon code right away, click on the option of Redeem at Tesco. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Tesco. Now you can log into your account and while you check out, apply this coupon code. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get $100 Tesco promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.